Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Ranger shift knob. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. Gather a flathead screwdriver and possibly a small pry tool. Understanding whether your knob is threaded or clip-on will guide your approach. This preparation makes the removal process much smoother and prevents any damage to your vehicle's interior. For threaded shift knobs, the process is quite straightforward. Simply grasp the knob firmly and twist it counterclockwise. If it feels stuck, apply steady, firm pressure, but avoid excessive force that could damage the shifter shaft. Keep twisting until the knob completely detaches from the lever. Sometimes, a little extra effort is needed for older or tighter knobs. If your Ranger has a clip-on shift knob, you'll need to locate the retaining clip or boot collar at its base. Gently pry this clip away from the shaft using a small flathead screwdriver. Once the clip is disengaged, firmly pull the knob straight up. It should slide off the shaft with a bit of effort. Be careful not to lose any small components during this step. Before installing a new knob, it's a good idea to clean the shift lever to ensure a smooth fit. When putting on the new knob, align it correctly and push or twist it into place, depending on its type. Make sure it's fully seated and secure. Finally, give the new knob a gentle tug and twist to confirm it's stable and won't come loose during driving. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.